Hey everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to a fun new asset called the Otter Chef. This new asset was completely 3D modeled in Unity using UModeler X. It's always amazing to me, honestly, when you can see things like this created directly in Unity. This asset comes packed with some amazing assets like surfboards, food items, small sailboats, fishing rods, tables, buckets, and a whole bunch more. But you can't forget the little otter. Most of the time we see UModeler making things like buildings and chairs, tables, plants, but you never really think, can UModeler make characters? Well, guess what? It can. And this little otter is the proof. And after you model, you can use UModeler to rig that character as well. The team at UModeler is bringing some amazing new features to UModeler X, and we want you to join in. So I would say head over to the Unity store today to download the latest release called the Otter Chef.